In front of me is OPPO Reno 13F, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Accessibility and Convenience. Then scroll again to tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. Following that, just follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. To go back, you can click on this area or simply swipe up. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!